Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the raindrop control filter on TikTok. Really easy and simple to do. So all you're going to have to do is head over to your TikTok application and open that up. And then we're just going to go over to the Discover tab and just to the search bar and just search for raindrop control. So let's search for that right now. So then once you search for it, you just want to click on a video with the filter. So all these ones here have the filter on it. So we're just going to want to click on one of them. And then as you guys can see above the name, it says raindrop control. So we can just click on that. And then you want to add that to your favorites. So whenever you make a new video, this will be under your favorites for you to use easily. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.